How to remove copyrighted music from a YouTube video. Have you just uploaded a video and boom, a copyright claim just hits you? It's frustrating, right? Yeah, I know that feeling, especially when it's just background music causing the issue. But don't worry, you don't need to delete or re-edit your entire video from scratch. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove or replace copyrighted music using YouTube's built-in tools without losing your views or re-uploading your videos. And also, as we go further, I'm gonna be sharing with you some bonus tips that will help you stay compliant with YouTube guidelines. Plus, I'll share my top recommended royalty-free music sites you can use to avoid copyright claims and copyright strikes in the future. So if that sounds interesting to you, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's jump right in. Alright, so first of all, go to studio.youtube.com and log into your YouTube account. You can do that by going to Chrome browser or any other browser. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. This is your control room for managing all your videos, checking analytics, and resolving issues like copyright claims. Next, click on Content in the left side menu here. You'll see a list of your uploaded videos. Look at the restrictions column to find the one with a copyright claim. If a video has copyright claim, you will see it here. So this one has copyright claim. Click on the claim, then choose See Details to find out exactly which part of the video is affected. This will open up the copyright details. Now here on the left side, you will see two options, the content used, which means the title of the song and the artist. And you also have the impact of the copyright. In my case, there is no impact. And by the right-hand side here, you will see the copyright status overview, which shows whether it's a strike or just a normal content ID claim. Under channel, this means that whether the content ID claims on your videos affects your channel or not. Now under visibility, this means whether the video is public or not, and mine is public. Now click on Select Action. This will open up a new page with 5 different options: Erase Song, Replace Song, Dispute and Trim Out Segment. Now, a quick warning here guys, never try to dispute with YouTube, unless of course you know you truly own the song or have the right to use it. But then you should be aware that it is going to cost you money, time and energy. I know you may be asking, so what's the best option? Yeah, I'll tell you, but please kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel. It really makes a huge difference. Thank you. Moving on. Now, the best option is to replace the copyrighted song. If you don't want any sound at all on your video, you can just mute the entire video completely. But for this kind of our videos, it will be boring to watch without music. So I'll choose to replace with the YouTube-owned audio. To do that, click on the Replace Song option and then click Continue. YouTube will highlight the timestamp where the copyrighted music is detected so you know exactly what section to work on. But in my case, the entire video has the copyrighted song. To replace the audio, look at the top left corner here, you will see the music section. And you can either search for a track here or simply use the suggested ones here. You can filter tracks by genre, mood, and duration. Now quick one, if I click on the copyrighted song which is highlighted red, you will see what it says, monetized in some territories, meaning you can still monetize this video, but in just some few countries. But we want to remove it entirely so we have fresh content. Okay, when you find something that fits your style, you can play or simply click Add by clicking on this plus icon. You will see this notification saying, "We have removed the claimed song but kept other sounds, such as speech, in this segment." If you don't like the track after adding, you can still delete by clicking on this 3 dots down here. And then you will see these options to mix, that's volume, license info, and delete. You can just click and delete it. After that, you can just click Save at the top right corner here. A new option will appear, asking if you are ready to replace song. Just click Save. And then you will see this message saying, "Video editing is in progress." This process might take a while. You may leave this page and check back later. So let's close this page. Now as you can see under this copyright column, status is showing checking. Again, I know you may be asking, but what if I was talking throughout the video? Good question. So if you were talking throughout in the video, this is what happens. YouTube is going to perform magic. Yeah, here's the magic that YouTube will perform. YouTube only removes the audio that contains copyright while leaving you with your own audio. Yes, Now let me quickly show you how to do that too. Here's my first video on YouTube when I didn't know anything about YouTube. Funny, right? Yeah? And of course, it has a copyright claim. I actually spoke in some parts of the video, and some have the copyrighted music. As you can see the red color on the audio in some selected parts here. Those are the only parts having copyright issues. So do you know what we gonna do? What we'll do is to simply click and then replace. Again, choose a sound that you like, and it will automatically replace the copyrighted audio. Now, we're done replacing the sound. Once you're satisfied, click save. YouTube will process the edits. It may take a few minutes to an hour depending on your video's length. While processing, your video stays live. When it's done, check the restrictions column if the claim has been successfully removed. Bonus tips to avoid copyright claims in the future. Always use royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library or services like Epidemic Sound, Artlist, or Pixabay Music. I'll leave a link to some of these tools in the description below for you to check out. And before you publish any video, always run the checks tool in YouTube Studio. It can spot copyright issues before they go public. If you want me to make a video on that, just let me know in the comments section below by typing "I want the video," and I'll do that for you. And there you go, no more copyright issues, no need to delete your video, and your views stay intact. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Up next, check out these cool videos showing on the screen now to learn more on this channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.